Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. I am so sorry I've been MIA for the last few days. I know, and I think the last video that I put out was about a week ago, so I'm going to do a really quick garden update, and then we will probably do a live tomorrow afternoon. I have a lot going on and I'm recovering from a really bad kidney infection. Came on really suddenly, so I've been down with that, and I do apologize for not making any videos for you guys or putting anything up. I usually have a couple saved and ready to go, but I'm really behind right now, so I don't have any saved videos to put up for you guys. So I just want to do a quick garden tour. I'm doing okay, so gonna try to get back into the groove of things and tell you a little bit of what's happening here, but let me do a garden tour first, okay? So, want to show you, I got some new plants to replace some of my tomato plants that didn't make it. I got more than tomato plants, but I did get a couple tomato plants, and they are doing really well. Actually, they're rooting, and I need to get them out of here. Cherry red cherry tomatoes. Got these because my plant is pretty much dead. Just didn't make it with all that whitefly stuff going on, and so that's what it turned out to be, you guys, was whitefly, not mildew. It's just whitefly, and I lost two of my tomatillos. I have one that's doing really well, and I have some seeds to plant some more, so not really worried about it. We'll be doing fine. So this one, let's see. This is Sweet 100, Cherry 100. This is another one that I lost, so I'm going to replace that. And these are both blooming. This one keeps going over. My basil's doing really well, and my mint's doing really well. I got some bell peppers that I didn't have. These are golden yellow bell peppers, and these are also blooming. Yeah, these, let's see, I think these are the same. Let me make sure. Oh, these are chili pepper. These are jalapenos. See, I don't even know what I got, you guys. Oops. Okay. So, those are jalapenos. My beets are coming along. I need to plant some more. Got some marigolds that we had a little bit of a heat wave. We didn't like the heat at all. Got some celery here. Got some better celery right here. I got some green beans that I went ahead and bought plants for. Have a lot of seeds. These are blooming like crazy. So I've got blooms on these, and then my yellow wax beans are giving me a second crop. These are my sweet potatoes. So these are chili de arbol. So these are little teeny chilies, and there's a bunch of them on here. And these I'm just going to let dry after I pick them. So then I got some Roma tomatoes, and I got two of those. So these two right here are Romas. I have some more strawberries to pick here. Cucumber that is cucumbering already. These little things I think I'm just going to add with my cucumbers, or my pickles when I do my pickling video. Yeah, they don't look great because they've been delayed putting in the ground. This is my peanut plant. Right here, got to get that going. My 8-ball zucchini, excuse me, some more strawberries that need to be planted. And I have an 8-ball there that's coming in. And I've got to cut up a bunch of dead leaves, but I do have some more zucchini coming in on here. And then on this one, I'm watering right now. There is a large zucchini coming in over here, if I can pick this. Oh, standing in a puddle. There we go. Big zucchini, he actually needs to be picked. And I need your guys' help. My eggplants are going crazy. I have a ton of eggplants, a ton. Covering up my pepper, but there are just a ton of eggplants, and I have to pick them. Hope you guys can see that. Just a ton. They are huge. Right here, they're all over. I have 4 on that one plant. And these are all my peppers right here. These are going absolutely crazy too. So I am going to be doing some hatch chili peppers here really soon. And I have a bunch of them coming in. Some need to be picked, but I'm just leaving them on here until I'm ready to use them. But I do have a lot, so this worked really well for me. These here, that's another one here. So hatch chilies are now ready at the stores, so I'm going to be buying some more of those, and then probably freezing them. I'm not sure if I'm going to can them or not. We'll see. My yellow wax beans, I hope you guys can see that. I got to pick some more. Oh yes, they're huge. Okay, here's some of my dill next to my peas that I still have not taken out. Need to plant some more. Pepper plants, gosh, crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, joy, there's a wasp. Okay. Wanted to show you guys real quick. So my tomato plants here, that one needs to be pulled out, but this one has a couple romas on it. Just not doing great. Don't know what it is with zucchini or with tomatoes this year. Just not terrific. So these, I have a lot of cucumbers inside. I think I picked some this morning. Going to pick some probably again tomorrow. Okay, I need to figure out how to get by this wasp real quick, you guys. Ooh, okay. All right. And then I will take you over here. And then we're just gonna go inside. So I'm gonna show you the strawberries really quickly because I need to pick some of these. These are coming really, really good. There are some, there's 3 right there that need to be picked, and one right here and one right here. So strawberries are doing well. And my lemons, my Meyer lemons, and my banana squash. So that one is finally starting to grow a little bit bigger, and this one's getting bigger right here. So I'm gonna show you what I have inside. Take you inside my messy kitchen. So I've got a couple of these right here, eggplants. And then I have some zucchinis, yellow crooknecks. I did buy some lemons. I'm going to be making lemon curd next week. I am a part of the collaboration Jamboree, so I'm going to be making lemon curd and something else, since lemon curd is a jam. Going to be doing some pickling cucumbers, as well as dehydrating cucumbers for drinks. Planting a lot of seeds, you guys. A lot of seeds. I have so much. And then doing something with all of my zucchini. You guys can, oh, this one is a big one. Yeah, so he got picked just the other day. And if you've never seen the round zucchini, they're called 8-ball or rondinnice. They are a little bit sweeter than your average zucchini, and they're really, really good. And I have a lot of these lemon cucumbers that I'm going to be dehydrating, I think, most of them. And then I have some pickling cucumbers. Okay, so these are some of my pickling cucumbers that I'm going to make into larger pickles, and then I have some of the smaller ones in the fridge, and I will be doing that either tomorrow or Friday. So stay with me, you guys. We have a lot of new subscribers. I want to welcome everybody to my channel. We are going to be doing some fermenting in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be doing some more pickled carrots. I am going to be doing dilly beans because I've had so many people request that. I've never made them, but hey, I never made the pickled carrots or the pickled beets either, and they came out amazing. We had some friends of ours come out this weekend from Arizona that came to visit us that I've known for over 35 years. And she took some carrots and the pickled carrots and the pickled beets with her. She loved it. She kind of sat here and ate a whole jar with all of us, but she really loved it. So they're good, right? So, and I'm still doing some of my sprouts here. I do have a couple videos coming out. I am going to be doing mango passion fruit jelly out of juice. And I'm also going to be doing apple jelly out of apple juice. So I just want to show you guys just a little bit of what's going on. And again, forgive me for not getting on here. But like I said, we do have a collaboration coming up with Prepper Potpourri and a bunch of other people. Tulilo Creates, oh my goodness, Sutton's Days, Jenny Goff. I will put everybody in the link when I do the videos. And we also have my collaboration with a few other people too. That's going to be called Garden to Pantry. That's probably going to start on the 10th. It was supposed to start on the 1st, but because of everything that's going on, or that was going on, I'm way delayed. So I'm going to have a start date of the 10th, and hope to take you guys all along with me. So everybody has been putting the mystery words, or the word of the day, in the comment box, and I really appreciate everything you guys have been doing. You're watching the whole videos. I really appreciate that. You're helping my YouTube channel by helping the algorithm and getting my videos out there, and I really appreciate it. So what we're going to be doing is a special giveaway, and so go back and watch all those videos and make sure by Friday that you've entered all the special words of the day in all those videos to be eligible to win. And you're going to like it, you guys, okay? There's going to be a lot of winners, okay? Not just 1 or 2 or 10 or 15. There's going to be a lot of winners. And this isn't even the 7,000 subscriber giveaway. We are inching our way over there. We're over 6,800 now. But you are going to miss out if you have not done the word of the day on those videos. So just saying. And you want to make sure that you have a purple heart next to your comment when I like your comment, and a firework next to your comment. Make sure that if you've put the secret word of the day, that I give you, that I see your comment, and that I give you a purple heart and a firework after you've commented. If not, you need to email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com and let me know that I missed your comment before Friday, okay? Today is the 4th, so by the 6th at noon, you want to have, everything's going to be closed, so anything after that has a special, the special word, then you're not going to get those fireworks and the purple hearts, you guys, okay? You'll get a like from me, but you're not going to be entered to win. So go back and watch the videos and do the word of the day. And trust me, you're gonna kick yourself if you don't, okay? So watch for my video coming out on the 9th that has to do with the collaboration called Jamboree that I am really, really excited about. Lots of cool videos, and I will put all of the links to the other channels in my video when I start, and I want you guys to all go and support the other channels. Take a look at them. They are all amazing canners. Some have amazing homesteads. They're amazing. It was really cool. Great group of people that I am very, very honored to be a part of. And we're going to have a really good time. And there is going to be a giveaway at the end of that collaboration, and also at the end of my collaboration, Garden to Pantry. So watch for those things, and I will see you guys soon. I will announce in my community page that we are going to be having a live, and I will be there probably, like I said, either tomorrow afternoon and then again on Friday to do the giveaway. So stay tuned, you guys. There's a lot coming up. I'm feeling better. Everything's a go. Everything's good. So thank you to all who have emailed me and asked, where am I? You know, because I normally post a couple videos a week. So thank you to all of you who have checked in on me. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned. Lots to come, you guys. See you later. Bye. Oh, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, of course, and hit the like button. Oh my goodness, how could I forget that? Okay, bye, you guys.